What's up, you guys? It's your girl and Samantha. I'm super tired. I really don't even want to do this vlog, but I'm trying to be consistent for you guys. And so yeah, in today's video we are just gonna go over to my mom's and my grandma's house and do some more baking, because as you guys saw the last time, they only baked like 2 cookies. So yeah, let's just get to this video. I'm just gonna drive over and spend some time with them, and then we're just gonna drive back because I have to do some more editing tonight. I don't even think I have today's video up, and it's already like 4 o'clock. So yeah, today's video, which is Friday the 11th, I think. I don't even know what day it is today, but it's probably gonna be late. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this video started.
She's catching you. She's getting better.
Valen won this time. What are you doing, Mama? You have a bell on your hat? That's cool. This is Mom's room. This is all the singing Mom used to do. And these are all her trophies.
Crown.
Yeah, she had a crown too. Mama. These are all her trophies from when she used to sing Calypso.
Mama.
Yes?
When I grow up, I'm going to be a queen, and I'm going to use Mama's crown.
When you grow up, you're going to be a what?
Queen, and I'm going to use Mom's crown.
You're going to be a queen? That's on period.
Period. Who guys in here? Why are you guys in here?
All Mom's stuff.
Mama?
Yeah?
What's this one? It only has letters.
So in my culture, it really isn't Christmas unless you have some black cake. So I went ahead and got some of that. And this is actually homemade by my grandma. So if you guys are in the Ontario location, make sure to put in your orders, because my grandma makes black cake and a whole bunch of other Christmas goodies. But when we got there, she had already cut out the cookies, and we just kind of wanted the girls to decorate because last time it took way too long and we only ended up making 2 cookies. So yeah. So what color icing are you gonna do, Rain?
Me?
What color icing do you want?
Red.
You want red? Raiden, what about you?
Shucks blue. No, not blue. Pick a
Are you
color.
gonna pick this up tomorrow, right?
Yeah.
And drop it off by your dad?
Yeah.
This.
You're choosing blue?
It turns red. It's 2 drops, Mama.
Oops, I didn't see. I think that might be good.
Here's some more sprinkles too.
Do you know what sprinkle I'm gonna do, Mama?
Yeah, go ahead. Good job, man.
It's getting a bit reddish.
It's getting a bit reddish. Should we put a little bit more? Because right now it looks a little bit pink.
Yes, please. Can I lick it?
I guess so.
I will lick it.
Ray, can I see your outfit? Pull your shirt down a little bit. Just pull it down a little bit.
I want some more on my shirt.
That's okay. Can I just see your fit?
Mama, can I lick it?
Can you lick it?
Yeah.
Go ahead, Raylan.
Time to flirt.
I can't eat it now. Can I just see your outfit though?
Take on the other one first.
Model your outfit. Show me your outfit. Okay, this is the front. Wow. Rain, what are you doing?
Pop.
Are you trying to fix the popping to it? How come there's squirrels in your house?
What squirrel?
Right there. There's a whole family of squirrels in your house right there.
Ah, squirrel! Come out! Squirrel!
Talk properly, Raylan.
Come out!
Raylan, your outfit is really great. You gonna put that in your hair?
Mama,
This one.
look. This.
With your hands moved?
Yeah.
That's cool.
I'm going to show you.
What are you doing? Get it out of here, man. Stop it. Stop it. You're so troublesome. Go play with your toys. Ooh, I like. Who put the red?
I did.
Rain did the red and Raylan did the blue. Good job, girls.
Let's go to this one.
You're gonna do the blue one, Raylan?
Here's the blue lady.
I like the sprinkles. I mean the sprinkles that you guys use. How does it taste?
Good.
You guys gonna taste your cookies now?
Yeah. No. No, not yet.
Not yet.
You need to decorate them more.
A little bit more.
I'm going to twist them now.
You're gonna try yours, Ray Ray? Okay, try it.
I'm going to try the other one.
Pardon?
I'm going to try Rain's best ever.
Okay, let me see that. How does it taste?
Sounds shiny.
Yummy?
Mama,
Yes?
it's okay if I spread it around with my hand?
Yeah, you washed your hands, so that's okay.
Okay.
You just have to wash your hands when you finish.
I think that's enough icing though, Rain. That's enough. You have a lot of icing.
My phone goes around.
That's okay. Don't pick it up. Is it the cookie that fell?
Yeah.
Don't pick it.
Rain, I
Take it
think that
again.
might be good now, baby. No cookie left unsparkled.
I'm cookie maker.
You're a cookie maker?
Cookie maker.
You say thank you to Mom?
I'm just gonna have one more. Cause that one fell.
Okay.
You guys say thank you to Mom?
Thank you, Mom.
Yeah.
Ah!
Okay, Rain, I think that's good now. Why don't you try one?
Try.
Try one and see how good it is.
Maybe I'll try this one because.
Because it has the most icing and the most sparkles? Is that why? This one is bouncing off the walls already. You think they'll go to sleep early? Okay, that's good now, Rain. Rain?
Mom.
No, no more. That's enough.
You can have one. Oh, you have one.
Okay, try it.
It tastes good?
Try it, Rainy Rain.
I wonder what this one's gonna taste like.
How is it?
Tastes good?
Good? Two
Ooh,
thumbs up? Let me see your two thumbs up. I'm gonna taste mine. I like mine plain. I don't want any on it.
Hey. Hey, you
Oh,
want some?
sorry, I need sprinkles. I forgot.
When you come back, we're going to
Take it
make,
down.
we're going to make a gingerbread house.
Yay!
Okay?
I can't have one more.
You can have one more small one, really. I don't want icing on mine.
Oh.
You tricked me. You tried to trick me. I saw you.
I didn't trick you. I just forgot.
Okay, can I have my cookie back, please?
Not yet. You need sparkles. You need. Hey, you need.
I don't want any.
You want any?
See, you got some icing on it. I'm okay. Too sweet.
I'll have your ring. I'll have yours, Raylan.
You gonna have a blue one?
Yeah, you can have. You could switch colors.
No more icing, Rain. Which one are you gonna choose?
Next.
Next, that's a huge cookie that you have.
I'm gonna choose this one.
Okay, you're gonna have that one tomorrow.
Yeah, not that one tomorrow.
That's too much sweets.
Raylan had more.
Raiden had 2 small ones.
Can I have 2 small ones?
Raiden, that was good?
You take potato chip for them?
Mm-hmm.
Good. So that's their first cookie bake they had.
This one's really good. Thank you, guys. So that concludes our little baking day together with our grandma and great grandma for the girls. We really hope that you guys enjoy this video since we actually made cookies this time. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you guys in another video. Toodles!